Here's a carry-on blanket for those long layovers and cold flights. You can carry it with you on your trips wherever you are. This blanket allows you to easily fold it down to a small size, similar to the size of several cans of soda, providing you with comfort in various places, from the airport to movie theaters. The blanket is made using 20D nylon, and its insulation is made from recycled plastic bottles, making it sustainable and resilient. The size of the blanket is XL and measures 190 by 137 centimeters and is priced at $127. Say goodbye to the hassle of taking off your backpack every time you need something. With Paxis, accessing your equipment is easy. The swing portion can hold up to 2.3 kilograms of items, while the entire backpack has a 30L capacity. Paxis backpacks are designed for all kinds of adventures. Whether you're hitting the trails, exploring the city, or embarking on a weekend getaway, Paxis has you covered. Its price is about $200. Coleman Deliverable Tent Pack. If you're tired of the hassle of setting up multiple tents for your group or family, this may be the change you've been looking for. The Coleman Pluggable Tent Kit is designed with comfort and flexibility in mind. Whether you're camping with friends or family, this system allows you to link multiple tents together, creating a shared, connected living space. One notable feature is the easy setup process. Coleman has made sure that even if you're not a fan of camping, you can get this system up and running in no time. These tents have been rigorously tested to withstand wind speeds exceeding 15 meters per second. These tents feature WeatherTech flooring that repels water and includes a rain canopy. You can get a package that includes a 6-person tent and a 3-person tent for $390. Say goodbye to the hassle of dealing with melting ice and soggy sandwiches on your outdoor adventures. The Fenik uses a unique cooling technology that does not rely on ice at all. The Fenik uses an innovative cooling system inspired by ancient evaporative cooling techniques. It's like having a mini eco-friendly air conditioner for your food and drinks. The magic happens when water evaporates from the walls of the cooler, drawing heat away and keeping your items cool without the mess of melting ice. Thanks to a smart material called PhaseTech that reacts with water and pulls heat away, you can buy a 60-liter cooler for $140. Now check out this mug that is your personal chef. Not only is it used to heat water, but because it allows you to cook a variety of meals, such as soup, pasta, vegetables, grains, and even popcorn. This cup is distinguished by its ability to automatically determine the appropriate temperature and cooking time. When meals are ready, it turns off automatically thanks to its 500-watt output. It only takes 5 minutes for the cup to boil some water. Additionally, it holds up to 470 milliliters of food. Whether you are on a solo outing or with your friends, this mug can be your perfect companion, and you can get it for $161. When you plan to go on a camping trip, you will need to bring many things with you, such as clothes, toiletries, kitchen utensils, and many more. To ensure effective organization, it is preferable to use a simple and effective system. In this context, a system based on the use of multi-use boxes and organizing shelves comes into play. You can use the Hub 50, which features a refrigerator section, side mesh, and 4 removable container compartments. Can also be used as drawers in an organizational shelf system. In addition, you can get ready-made containers such as one for first aid and one for hygiene supplies, in addition to a container dedicated to the filtration system. In terms of cost, the Hub 50 box is around $500, while the rack organizer is around $220. With FlashSpeed PRO 3000, whether you're at home, camping, or on the go, this power supply is your answer to reliable power on demand. It features a generous 9,000 watts of power from a practical standpoint, providing backup power during power outages, storms, or emergencies. The portable FlashSpeed PRO 3000 is equipped with a variety of ports, so you can easily charge all your devices. From laptops and smartphones to cameras and drones, you can get this amazing device for $11,000. If you are looking for an inflatable pillow, air mattress, or other item that requires pumping, as well as an inflatable tent, and you have had difficulty inflating your equipment, you should take a look at this device, as it provides a break from manual inflation, providing pressure of up to 4.2 kPa with a single push. It can be charged to inflate up to 7 mattresses or 10 pillows. The pump comes with 5 adapters and can also work as a flashlight and help you start a fire. You won't even need to save space in your backpack, as the compact device weighs only 105 grams and you can easily hang it on your backpack, and it's also affordable at $39. Whether you're hiking, biking, or camping, the HydroPack Contour is designed to keep up with your active lifestyle. It is lightweight, compact, and provides easy on-the-go hydration. The HydroPack Console series offers a hip pack solution, helping free up valuable backpack space. These hydration packs come with wide openings. This makes it easy to fill and clean and is available for $51. If you're tired of fumbling with equipment or having trouble hanging your clothes, towels, and bags, this is the solution you've been waiting for. With the Gear Aid Camp Carabiner, you won't want to go back to traditional ways. This carabiner is sturdily designed. It can bear the weight of your equipment without causing obstruction, ensuring your items are hung securely and with 360-degree rotation. And you can get a set of 2 carabiners, 2 tensioners, and 9 meters of paracord for $26. The future of the furniture industry lies in Anchor MG technology, as they have designed a versatile table suitable for both apartments and campsites. This table features a 20,000 mAh battery, wireless charging, Bluetooth stereo speakers, and RGB lighting. The table's legs fold down for easy storage, and it has a small built-in handle for easy carrying. You can get this table for $139. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you on the next ride.